artist, man like vision. I'm an artist slash musician based in Newport, Wales. I make hip hop and grime music.
My name is 184K, and as a lot of you may know, I'm a producer, artist and sound engineer. This year, I will be a mentor for the National Youth Arts Wales Music Futures programme.
I'll be a part of this year's Music Future project.
I was once a participant in this programme myself back in 2022, and honestly, it's a life-changing, once-in-a-lifetime experience.
So, calling all the young artists, this is a great opportunity for you to improve your craft, to enhance your knowledge to music.
It really is an opportunity to help elevate your career to the next level.
Myself and many other great mentors will be helping you do this by songwriting sessions, production.
It's open to all young musicians across Wales. If you want to register your interest, head over to National Youth Arts Wales, their Instagram, and hit the link in the bio.
And I don't feel like this is something you ain't gonna wanna miss, man.